everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing an unboxing from Fabfit Fun. So my good friend does Fabfit Fun and got like a little card to discount to friends and where we get a free sample box. And all we had to do was pay shipping, which is worth it because like for a sample box, look how humongous this is. That's well, like huge. This is bigger than my snack crate boxes, so I'm excited for this and I love it. The warning, there's a warning label on here. It says, I don't know if you can read that, it says this box might cause excitement, which pretty accurate. I'm excited about this. I love watching her get the Fabfit Fun stuff that she gets, and I like that you can customize stuff on there to your liking and you just get big products. And I like that because these are, I think she said these are worth like $200, and that's a lot, and you're only, I think the subscription's like $50 a month. So if I like everything in this, I think I'll probably be subscribing. Whoop, boop. Welcome to your new favorite thing. So just a little magazine, a note from us. Everything that's in this kit. This kit is valued at $167. That's pretty crazy to me. Oh, I like it. It's even all wrapped really pretty. Whoa. Okay, so the first thing that's in this box is a mandarin orange bergamot aromatic body lotion, so aromatherapy lotion. I don't know if you can see that or not. Let's smell it. It's kind of hard to open. Smells good so far, what I can smell. I like it. And for a sample, this is quite big. Sample box. But this will last me a while. So we got that. The next thing we got is some nail cuticle serum. I'm all about this kind of stuff because, well, my nails aren't that great. And so this will be good. Let's open this. Oh, it's cute. Just a little tiny bottle. Let's see. Oh, and I like that it's a dropper. That's cool. That's definitely pretty cool. Oh, and this smells really good. It kind of smells like the lotion. That's cool. And then next we got a Kate Somerville skin exfoliating treatment. I'm not sure if you can see that. Let's check it out. We'll open it from the bottom. That's cool. It does, it says it naturally helps exfoliate deep, clean pores, while fruit enzymes help to clarify and renew the skin while balancing hydration without over drying. And I'm excited to try this because my face does tend to get a bit dry. I would say more on the dry side than oily, so I'm excited for this. I like that everything's like an orange smell. This is orange, and this is orange. Let's see what else. Then this is Mark and Graham personalized gift. I think it's a blanket. It's a throw blanket Cozy up with this woven throw, which features a stripe design and a cool fringe detail. This is normally 50 bucks, this says. Holy cow, for this blanket. Let's check it out. Oh, I am gonna love this. I'm not gonna open the whole thing, but I already like the bottom. I love blankets that have like fringe, little stringy fringe that you can play with. That's cool. Oh, I like this. I like it a lot. So I'm excited to try some of these products, these 4 things I got. This thing, this exfoliating cream, is worth $75. This is 20 bucks. And then the cuticle nail strengthener is $24. That's pretty good. And all I had to pay was shipping, and I'm pretty sure that was only like $5. So that's pretty good. I'm kind of stoked about this. I think I'm going to try this and I'll review it. And if it's good and I love it, I'm probably going to subscribe. It kind of sounds like I'm already going to do that. This stuff is cool. I like that you get a lot of product and they put it in such a fun box and make it all cute. Well, it was cute sitting in here. So yeah, I'm excited. If y'all want Fabfit Fun, go check them out. If you like them, subscribe to them or get the subscription. They give you like for all 4 seasons. So I'm excited about it. But yeah, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below if that's available. If not, go to my Instagram or Twitter. And I'll see y'all later. Bye!